as I told you last week, and today we're going to make a volcano, okay? So today we have to make it, we have to build it. Remember how? We're going to use this to build up the volcano, okay? And you brought newspapers, right? Some of you, right? So I make an example of what we have to do, and then we're going to set the tables in groups and we will start. Okay, so remember, with the newspaper and this here, this will be the volcano, okay? Put them around the tin, okay? And with the adhesive, we have to fix it, okay? This is the first step.